After my previous video, many of my friends said that the information about deep learning was not suffice, so I need to create another one. Now let me give you a real world example of deep learning. And for that, I will give you a task. If you have a baby or a kid or a neighbor who is less than 5-year-old, try teaching them the meaning of this. And you don't need to teach them the functionality of mouse, but you need to show them that and let them know that this is a mouse. And you have to repeat this multiple times. You have to show a picture of mouse. You have to show graphics of mouse. You have to show the real mouse. And by mouse, I don't mean the animal mouse. I don't want you to confuse that baby. Just an experiment. You can also use any other object. Do that, and after a while you will notice that the baby, whenever he or she sees this or image of this, they will start mumbling the word mouse. Now what happened here is there are millions of neurons in our brain which reacts and acts and memorizes according to the visual picture that they see or sound they hear or things they perceive. Similarly, in deep learning, which is a part of machine learning, neural network is the place where all the algorithm runs and machine keeps learning. So it is different from machine learning because machine learning is a broader picture. Deep learning is somewhere related to neural network, and neural network is equivalent to us. That is, we work on neurons. And in the computer, it is neural networks or nodes. Okay. The biggest example is image processing. So if you want your computer or a system to recognize cat, you need to feed in a lot of information, as in information I mean pictures, to the model to get trained that how a cat looks like, right? In this way, the machine will able to understand what is the image, what is the picture, what does the structure look like, what does the texture look like. And whenever in future, when the model is trained, you give them a picture of a cat or a real cat comes in front, it will be able to recognize it. So it is very much similar to a 5-year-old kid which is trying to memorize mouse. Similarly, the machine is behaving in this way. So as I told you, artificial intelligence is the simulation of human brain. So deep learning is a part of artificial intelligence which is imitating neural network exactly. And instead of neurons that we work on, it's using nodes. So I hope it's pretty clear.